Well guys, are you ready to try out Gumout high mileage fuel injector cleaner? Restore fuel economy, reduces emissions, cleans carbon buildup. So you can see right here the pictures of the combustion chamber intake valves where it cleans the deposits. So I'm definitely excited to try this product out. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, it says to add the entire bottle to 21 gallons of fuel and do it to a nearly empty gas tank so it mixes it up well. And I'm definitely curious for you guys to see what this does. I know I'm definitely curious, so let's go ahead and add it to our fuel. Well, let's go ahead and show you guys these really bad intake valves. Okay guys, these are the before shots, and you can see these intake valves are gummed up bad. Let's move on to valve number 2. Oh wow, yeah, this definitely looks pretty rough. I'm not sure if there's much hope for this. Valve number 3 coming up. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. Let's move on to valve number 4, before shots. Valve number 4, and it looks bad, yeah. So this is really going to take a miracle to clean these guys up. Okay guys, here we are again. We've used almost every last drop of the fuel. As a matter of fact, I thought I was going to run out. So let's go ahead and take a look at these after shots. But let me know, hey, what do you think? Is this stuff actually going to do anything? So, as always, I really hate to give my opinion too much, but be sure and let me know in the comments below, or something you guys want to see me try out. So, let's jump right on in and look at these valves after. Okay guys, let's look at the after shots. Can we tell a difference? I can see some reduced carbon buildup up in the top left corner. Valve number 2. I'm not really seeing a huge difference here. You guys be sure and let me know in the comments below what you think. Tell me how you think this has helped or if it hasn't helped. Okay you guys, valve number 3. Still a lot of carbon buildup, but in one treatment, how much can we really expect? Valve number 4. These are the after shots. You think it's helped? So guys, was this additive worth trying? I think it was. I love trying new products. I love to see what they can do. So till next time, you guys get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video, because here soon we're definitely going to have some epic videos.